If you are selling wall art printed on canvas in Printful or Printify, you can create a mockup in Canva. For wall art mockups, you can use any living room background from Canva's media library. Even if the wall is empty, just place your design like a picture on the wall. Adjust the transparency to 90% so it blends better with the theme. To make it more realistic, you can add shadows from the media library. Just search for shadows and place something that matches the vibe of the image over the mockup to create a sunlit effect. For the best contrast, use bright room colors for dark design and darker rooms for bright designs. This makes your art stand out. To make the wall art pop from the image, you can zoom in on the frame so the focus is on the artwork. This helps highlight the details and make the design stand out more. There are also living room images with square frames for art. If you use one of these, make sure your design fully covers the frame so it doesn't look odd. If you're feeling creative, you can add extra elements to the living room, but keep in mind the main focus should be on the wall art you're selling. You have some options for wall art in the Mockup app. In this case, the wall art has the Canva image frame, and all you need to do is grab the image and place it in the frame. It should have the same dimension, otherwise it will look odd. If you want to use an image with different perspective for the wall art and the product you want to add the design to isn't straight on, you can use a different tool. You need your design saved as an image on your computer because you need to upload it to the app. Once you have the image you want to adjust, click on Apps and then find Transform Image and upload your design. Move it around until it looks like it matches the perspective of the product on the canvas. Then upload it and position it. If it still doesn't look like it's positioned the right way, use the app again to adjust the position and save it to the canvas. This will help make sure the wall art looks natural and well placed. Remember to match the design placement to how it appears on Printify or Printful so it looks as close as possible to the final product. Like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.